Alright, today I'm going to be showing you how to get your password from the Synology Surveillance Station app. They have fixed this in their latest release, which is 8.2.8, which came out like a couple of weeks ago from this video. As you can see, if you scroll down where they say fix the issue where the camera password might not be encrypted in configuration files. So they do have this issue resolved if you have the latest version. If you do not have the latest version, then, and this has been going on ever since the app's been around, so you can probably do this. To find out if you are, so go to File Station, outside of the Surveillance Station app, and then go to Surveillance, because that's the folder where I have all my recordings going to. Yours might be called something different. Then I'm going to double click on the folder, and you're going to see all the every day broken out. These are all where the video files are stored. But if you scroll to the very bottom, you're going to see a cam_settings.config file, and that's the configuration file for the camera and what the surveillance app pulls: the IP address, the username and password, and all the settings you set up for that camera. That's where all those config settings are stored. So if you right click on that, and then you do open with text editor. So you're going to see all this gibberish, and to make our lives easier, we're just going to copy all of this, and then we're going to just open up, let's say, Notepad++, and we're going to paste that information in there, and then you're going to do Control F so we can just quickly find password. So hit find, and you can see, boom, password. Here's our password to that camera. So this is a good thing to have, because sometimes if you forgot your password to your IP camera, I've seen that happen a lot of times, and you have to like factory reset the camera. But if you don't have the latest version, you can quickly go in your configuration file and find the password in plain text. And then the username is right over here, and the username was just admin. And you can so you can see Hikvision was the camera brand, and you can see all the settings for the camera. This is a huge issue, but they just patched it, so you should be good going forward. But just so you know, make sure you update. This is why you update software, because vulnerabilities and things like that come out, and you definitely want to get that kind of stuff patched. Alright, well, I hope this was helpful. Like I said, go into File Station, go into the directory where your camera files are being stored at, go into the camera, and then find that cam_settings configuration file, edit it, and then if you just bring it into a Notepad editor and do Control F and find password, you can get your password that way. Thanks, you guys.